So y'all, my daughter told me that at the end of this video, it sounded like I was a part of a sorority, the holler that I did after it ended, but I'm not a part of any sorority. I was just excited that my logo got done, and I liked how it was simple and how the person that did it, they're off of Fiverr. I will have their link, and it only cost me $5, y'all, to get this done. So if y'all like something simple and cute and quick, I think it only took her, well, I asked for 3 days. She probably could have got it done sooner than that, but you know, it was $5, so, and I'm pleased with it. I like it. But yeah, I'm not a part of a sorority, so if you are, and it sounded like I was doing, y'all scream out, y'all holler out, that was not what I was doing. I'm excited about my logo. That was all, but I do holler, and if it sounds like that, it just sounded like that. But once again, y'all, my logo got done, and that's one of the steps of many to get my productive business started. And that's all I want to say. Just want to give a comment because my daughter said, you know, you might want to mention it. So because I know some sorority sisters are sensitive about that issue. But anyway, my logo got done, y'all. Yay!